special family, welcome back to another video. So today's video is titled, "A Valley Mother Installed a Security Camera in Her Son's Room in a Group Home." And new chilling video shows an employee turning that camera towards the wall. And we're gonna see what happened after that. So as you guys know, on this channel, we talk about autism and everything in between. If you'd like to be part of that, just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you could know whenever I post a new video and help us get to 10,000 subs. So this is an old story from 2020, but the reason why I'm doing this story is because most of my followers know that when Ramsey's an adult, the goal is to have him in a small private group home where he will be coming home, but I want him to have that independence that if something were to happen to me, his environment won't change and he'll already be set. Not that we won't be involved with his life. He'll be home every weekend and whenever he wants to. It's just that I want to have that in place that if anything were to happen, I don't want to burden anybody with my child. So I like having stuff in place. But I'm not going to lie to you. After watching this video, it sent chills up my spine. And I know a security camera is something that I'm gonna have because just watch. Let's see what happened in this video.
Exclusive from the 12 News I-Team. A Valley woman says her son, who has autism, has been abused by staff at the group home he's been living in, a place where he's supposed to feel safe and cared for. Now, chilling new video shows an employee turning the security camera around that she installed on the wall. The I-Team's Bianca Bono has the disturbing details.
It's unclear exactly what happened after the employee moved the camera, but when this mother showed up, her son was hurt. Video showing a Mesa group home employee walking into the room of a teen with severe autism, intentionally turning a surveillance camera towards the wall.
God.
It's terrifying because I'm hearing this and I'm hearing muffled noises and I can't see anything.
Amber Brown is the mother of the teen seen on video, 16-year-old Matt.
Matt has always been super sweet.
Matt loves games, technology, and kayaking with his family.
He loves to draw pictures.
As he grew older, he moved into a group home, and it's been a struggle for his family ever since.
You die a little inside.
As soon as Brown saw the employee turn the camera around, she got in her car, driving as fast as she could, not knowing what was happening to her son.
And I'm driving down the road as fast as I can from our house to the group home, which is 45 minutes away.
Oh.
I have no idea what I'm gonna find there.
When Brown showed up, Matt was covered in scratches, drops of blood found scattered throughout the facility.
The worst possible scenarios that could go through any parent's mind are flying.
Mesa police now investigating, while Arizona Mentor, the organization running the home, tells 12 News they are deeply troubled by the video and have suspended the employee involved.
Why is he not in jail?
Brown says this is not the first incident involving her son.
And I have 7.5, 8 months of this horror show experience.
These are the dozens of incident reports, all involving Matt. He's been at the facility for less than a year.
It's actually terrifying. More than it is frustrating, it's terrifying.
In one case, employees unable to explain Matt's black eye. In another, Matt leaving the facility in the middle of the night.
He could be hit by a car in that busy Mesa neighborhood.
Yeah, you need to take him out.
Anything could have happened to him.
So Brown installed the camera, and to her horror, it showed other troubling incidents she reported to Arizona Mentor. A staff member shoving Matt, his clothes torn, and a staff member laying on top of him. But now, after watching an employee intentionally turn the camera away, she's demanding change from Arizona Mentor and from Arizona's Department of Developmental Disabilities, the agency who regulates them.
We should have cameras because kids like Matt can't tell us. To me, this is a lot bigger than Matt. Obviously, I want Matt in a safe place. I want him well taken care of. But what about all the other kids who are in these situations too?
And Matt has been moved to a temporary facility. According to state policy, group homes can have cameras installed in common areas. Brown says she's been asking Arizona Mentor to do this for months. Bianca Bono, 12 News.
All right, guys. let's talk about this for a second. So the kid's name is Matt, and this happened in Arizona. Like, I can't even understand what kind of human being would sit there and harm a special needs child. And the bad part was he turned the camera around. Imagine being a parent checking the surveillance and see that the person turns the camera around and you're over there speeding to go to your child because you have no idea what's going on at this point. You're just driving because you're like, oh my God, please let him be okay. Please let him be okay. That is scary. And for the facility not to have cameras installed in the common areas, how do you put these parents' minds at ease? Because my mind would not be at ease. I'm happy that the mother had the camera in his room, and that's something I am thinking about. Like, if Ramsey were to go to a home, he will have cameras in his room because, oh, look at the scratches. Look at that. That is crazy. Like, what do you tell a parent like that? What about the other people that are in that facility? What are you doing also to them? Maybe they don't have a camera in their room and this is going on, and the parents feel helpless, like they don't have anywhere else to put their kid because it's not easy finding a group home. Group homes are in high demand. But if this is what they do to kids, I feel like he should be in jail for assault on a special need person. Like, this is crazy. So these are one of my greatest fears for Ramsey to go into. Although it's a private one, I still have fear because, as a mom, you never know. Not that all group homes are like that. I'm pretty sure there's some that are better regulated, but it's just a fear you as a parent will always have. What if somebody mistreats your child, especially if your child is nonverbal and this happens? What can you as a parent do to make you feel at ease? And that's doing what this mom did, put a camera in the room just to make yourself feel at ease. But if you have similar stories or any tips or tricks that you can give, that if someone is in the situation where they have to place their kid in a room, or you work at one of these facilities, what are some things that you as a parent can do to put your mind at ease that your child is safe while in that facility? Please put it in the comment below, because I'm a mom that's struggling with that idea every day. Although we're not there, we're nowhere close, but I like to do research ahead, and this is one of my greatest fears. So if you have any stories that you've encountered or any tips and tricks because you have a child in a group home and this is what you do, this or you do that to make you feel at ease, please link it in the comments below. I am waiting to hear and to learn of how I can put myself at ease. Look at this. He has a black eye. This is ridiculous. Wow. But that was the end of today's video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.